Happy Friday everyone! For today's tutorial, it's 3 easy summer heatwave hairstyles. For the first one, you want to take a small piece from your left or right side and tie it into a bun. Or if you have shorter hair, you can just wrap it around into a bun, whichever you like. Then just pin it to your head. Take another small piece and braid this one. You want to make sure that your hair is going to be split into 4 different sections, so keep that in mind when you start it. Just braid it all the way to the end, and then tie it with an elastic. Then I'm going to make another braid bun with this one. Again, just pin it to your head. The next one, following the sequence, we're going to make a regular bun, no braid. Just twist it around and pin it to your head. Now for the final piece, you're going to braid it again. Just braid all the way to the end, wrap it with an elastic, and wrap it around into a bun. If your hair is super long like mine, you can tie a knot or, again, just wrap it into a bun. Make sure it's pinned. And how beautiful is this? It looks like little flowers all over the head. For the next style, you're going to take a piece from the temples all the way back to the crown of your head and put a barrette in it. Then you're going to take the middle section and wrap it into a bun, leaving 2 equal sections on either side of your head. Now pin that to your head. Now we're going to make a Dutch braid. Start at your temple and begin making a small Dutch braid, only adding pieces on the heavier side. Then you're going to fan out the pieces on the part side, pulling that apart so it's nice and fluffy. Then just braid it all the way down to the end. Now on the other side, you're going to do the same thing. Make a Dutch braid, splitting into 3 pieces and adding sections all the way down. Once you get about to the middle, you're going to start fanning the pieces out, just pulling it apart, especially by the part side. This is so you can hide the part and also make the braid look super pretty and fluffy. Then just braid your hair all the way down. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down, and you can even subscribe if you want to. Now you're going to take the barrette out, and then if you feel the need, just pin it on either side. And also at the base by the bun. Then you're going to start wrapping the braids on either side of your head into braid buns. I love this so much. It looks like 3 flowers, kind of like the last style, but gives it a different vibe. And it's going to keep it up off your neck for the summer heat. It's perfect for vacations, or if you're going to go to Disney or the beach or wherever. It's a great hairstyle. For the next one, we're going to do traditional milk braids, but we're going to do it with a twist. We're going to make them just a little bit different. So part your hair all the way down to the nape of your neck, and then begin braiding one side of your hair. We're going to make just a regular braid. Again, tie it at the end. Now do the same thing on the other side, just a traditional 3-strand braid. Now we're going to take them up, crisscross them, and then just like you tie your shoe, just tie it against your head. Hold it tight and then make one more tie, depending on the length of your hair. Now begin pinning it to your head. Now because my hair is really long, I'm going to tie it one more time, and then just tuck the ends underneath the bigger part of the braid. This gives me princess vibes, so what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. In the back, I'm just going to pin any bumps, and we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed these hairstyles. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see next, or if there's a style you really want to see or want to learn, let me know, and I'd love to do that for you. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Love you guys. Bye.